Prioritizing your vaginal health and safety is optimal. There are some things you should put inside your vagina, while there are others that you shouldn't. I have previously made a video concerning the things you shouldn't put inside your vagina. I'll link it up here. Do well to see that video once you are done with this one. Hi there, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if you are just setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please do not make it the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also turn on post notifications so each time I post a new video you'll be the first to know. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 8 things that you can put inside your vagina. These things are safe and it is okay for you to insert inside your vagina. Number 1, which is clean hands and fingers. So it is good and it is optimal to make sure your nails are well trimmed and clean, and also your hands are properly washed with soap and warm water before inserting it or anything inside your vagina. This is just to reduce the risk of infection and also reduce or minimize the rate of transfer of bacteria from your hands into your vagina. Number 2 is clean water. So basically, plain water is safe for the vagina. It is used to clean the vagina. I know I have talked about this over and over and over again on this channel that you do not need to use soap and water to wash your external genital. You just need water. You can do this during the shower or bath, and even after doing your number 1 or the number 2, it is completely safe and healthy. 3 is a water-based lubricants. Water-based lubricants are the safest types of lube you can use during sex, either with condoms or with your sex toys. This is because they reduce discomfort, they reduce friction, and also they provide long-lasting lubrication during intercourse. Number 4 is menstrual products. So menstrual products like menstrual cups, tampons, pads, and napkins are all designed for vaginal use, and yes, they are absolutely safe for you to use. Also, it is worthy to note that when using these products, you should use them according to the manufacturer's instruction. It is not that you will use one pad in the morning till the next day, or you use one tampon for 48 hours. This will cause infections. This will cause bad bacteria to breed inside your vagina, and once this happens, you are now exposed to yeast infections and even bacterial vaginosis. Number 5 is condoms. Yes, condoms are absolutely safe for you to put inside your vagina during sexual intercourse and even with your sex toys, as this will protect you against sexually transmitted infections and also unwanted pregnancy. Also, it is good to note that there are some heavily flavored condoms that could cause you irritations after use. So make sure you know the type of condoms that are okay for your downstairs area. Talk with your partner about this, and that's it for that. So number 6 is sex toys. Yes, sex toys are absolutely safe for you to put inside your vagina. It is worthy to note that after use and before use, you should make sure you clean these toys just to prevent bacterial vaginosis and also yeast infections. So number 7 is a penis. Why are you smiling sheepishly? Because you've heard penis, now your ears have stand. Well, penis is safe to put inside your mouth, vagina, and even your butthole, whichever way you like it. Okay. But it is crucial that you understand that you should use a condom over it, just so to prevent STIs and even unwanted pregnancy. So, Auntie Amaka, make sure you are using condom on it before you go on it, okay? So number 8 and the last thing that you can put safely inside your vagina is medications prescribed by healthcare providers. Some vaginal health conditions would require you to insert certain drugs inside your vagina, like boric acid, clotrimazole, and the likes. And this is totally safe for you to do so, as long as the drugs are recommended by your healthcare provider. Remember to prioritize your health and also your vaginal health. Know that introduction of foreign objects inside your vagina can be detrimental to your health. It could lead to injuries, it could lead to infection, and even land you in ICU. If you have a certain type of vaginal health condition you really do not understand, instead of inserting things you do not know about, make sure you speak with your healthcare provider. If you and your partner are trying out new styles and new ways to spice up your bed, please make sure it is safe, and talk with your healthcare provider about it and hear their opinion about that subject matter. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video helpful like I have, please and please do well to like this video, comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on post notifications so each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And with that being said, bye guys.
That's bad, no brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want you, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.